Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja, and in this video what do we have? We have here this question: 1 by 1 times 2 plus 1 by 2 times 3, 1 by 3 times 4 up to so on. We keep going on like this and we get 1 by 99 times 100, right? And we need to add all of them, right? So if we observe the pattern, if you see here, if we have one here, one on the top, everywhere we have one on the top, right? So if I write general term, okay, if I write general term, like what type of terms are these? One is in the top, right? So first number is 1 and then next number is what? 1 plus 1, right? So like in first term you have 1 here and then the next. In second term you have 2 here and then 1 plus 2, right? In third term you have 3 here and then 1 plus 3, right? Like if you see here, this is 3 times 3 plus 1, right? So actually the nth term, general term, is n times n plus 1, right? So it is n times n plus 1. Now, what is n times n plus 1? 1 by this. You know what? This is actually this 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. This thing only can be written like this. How? If you solve this now, the LCM will be n plus 1. So cross multiply n plus 1 minus n, we will get 1. So actually these two terms are same. Okay. So in general, if I write this first term as this 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2, right? Plus this term I can write it as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. This term I can write it as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 up to so on. I keep going, and last term will be 1 by 99 minus 1 by 100. If you see this will cancel out, right? This will cancel out. Similarly 1 by 4 and all the terms will keep going like that. They all will get cancelled. We will just be left with the first term and the last term, and that are 1 minus 1 by 100, right? Now if you subtract it, you will get 99 by 100, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and do follow me for math riddles on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.